Hey guys, I'm Caleb Walker. I'm the owner at Walker Pest Management, and I just wanted to take a second to explain our three main recurring maintenance services that we offer for residential clients. So our first service would be kind of our basic service that most people want to have, and that's going to include all of your household pests like spiders, ants, cockroaches, even things like millipedes and earwigs that might be coming from outside in. This is where our technicians are going to come. They're going to treat the exterior of your home really well, around the doors, the windows, the base of the foundation. They'll even take a web stick and wipe down any spider webs on the outside of the house that you might have. And one thing that we offer that a lot of other companies don't offer is we also include stinging insects that are within 10 feet of the home. So this would include things like fire ants or paper wasps, even yellow jackets and hornets' nests if they're within that 10-foot perimeter of the home. There are some exclusions there, but it's a really good service, and we take care of a lot of pests in that package. The next package would be our Preferred Care Plus. And that Preferred Care Plus is going to include everything that you get in our basic Preferred Care package, plus termite baiting system and termite protection. Our termite protection is going to include a future damage warranty, which is really important. You don't want to have a pest control company that performs a termite service but is not willing to warranty against future damage. The third package that we offer is going to be our Preferred Care Outdoor. And the outdoor package is something that anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors is going to want to have. So this is going to include all the basic service that you get from Preferred Care, but it's also going to include flea control, fire ant control. It's going to include tick control and even mosquito control for your outdoor areas. And that way you and your family, your friends, even your pets are going to be able to enjoy that outdoor space much better and much easier throughout the summer. So if any of these services sound like something that you might be interested in, please give us a call at the number on this video. One of our associates will be happy to answer any questions that you might have about that, and we'll get you signed up and get you on our service schedule right away. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a great day.